How to enable link previews on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable link previews on Telegram. Link preview is a useful feature on Telegram that allows you to see how a specific link will appear before you open it. This is especially useful for checking the security of links and avoiding potentially harmful or unwanted content. So without any further ado, let's get started. Launch the Telegram application on your device. Sign in to your account and tap on three-line icon at top left corner of the screen to expand the menu bar. Select Settings. Once you're on the Settings section, on this setting you have to choose Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and locate the Secret Chat section where you will find link previews. Simply you have to toggle the button on and you are good to go. You will successfully now enable the link previews on Telegram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.